Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious frittata without an oven. First, gather your ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and your chosen fillings like cheese, vegetables, or cooked meats. Whisk the eggs and milk thoroughly until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Remember to chop all your vegetables and cook any meats before you begin, ensuring everything is ready for the pan. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in an 8-inch non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add your prepared fillings, such as sautéed onions, bell peppers, or cooked sausage, to the pan. Sauté them for about 2 minutes to warm them through and enhance their flavors. Make sure the fillings are spread evenly across the bottom of the skillet, creating a nice base for your frittata. Now, carefully pour the whisked egg mixture evenly over the sautéed fillings in your skillet. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the edges of the frittata beginning to set and firm up. The center should still have a slight jiggle, which is perfectly normal and means it's almost ready for the final step. To finish, cover the skillet with a lid for about 5 minutes. This steams the top, cooking it through. Alternatively, you can invert the frittata onto a plate and then slide it back into the pan to cook the other side for 2 minutes. Once done, let your beautiful frittata cool for 5 minutes before slicing it into 4 to 6 generous wedges. Enjoy your easy, oven-free meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.